Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8, and today I will show you how you can find sound settings in this smartphone. You have to go for the settings, then go for the sound and vibration, and here we are. For example, we can change volume of the ringtone. We get here also a couple of the things like outdoor mode, complete mute, it's like silent mode. We get here the smart ringtone, do not disturb mode, priority mode, phone ringtone. We can change for the SIM 1 and for SIM 2. We can also we can also change the effects, sounds, like there is the touch sound, charging sound, screen locking sound. We get also here the vibration options like vibrate intensity for touch feedback, notifications, incoming call, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.